back, Antonio here. Another video today. Today's going to be very quick and easy. It's a little installation on my Model Y. All right. Basically, like I was saying in my previous videos, I did 3D print these extensions here for your seat belts for your back seats. Okay. I am going to install them today. I 3D printed these along with the funnels. Okay, for your window washer fluid, and also the key to take off your headrest in the back of your car. All right, I am going to go install this, okay, into my car, okay, so at least my seatbelt doesn't wear down my leather on my back seats. And after I do the installation, I will let you know how I'm going to do the giveaway on these a set of these, and the funnel and the key to install these. All right, and I am going to pick 3 subscribers, and I'm gonna mail them out to them free of charge. All right, so I'll let you know what the contest is or what it is to enter. So stay with me. We're gonna get into the car, we're gonna install these, and then I'll let you know how to enter it. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, just doing a little quick errand. The other thing is that it's already December 19th, and I haven't gotten not my holiday package update on my car or the new software update. I mean, everybody else has been getting it. My wifey got it on her car. I don't know. Did I do something wrong? Maybe they're punishing me? I have no idea. But anyway, I'm still waiting for that. So I'm still driving on the old version of 12.5.6.3. So and I didn't get to experience yet the version 13. I would love to, so I can make some videos. Anyway, all right, I'm going to head over to go see my parents, see what they're doing, and then I'll do the installation of the seatbelt extenders. So all right, I'll see you guys once I get down over there. All right, see you in a bit. All right, guys, welcome back. We are back here in my car. We are going to be installing what I 3D printed is the seatbelt risers that go on your car here so it doesn't wear off your leather like this. All right, so basically when you start moving, you know, it starts wearing off the leather here. So what these do, I'm pretty sure you see, it raises them up so you have access to your lever here, all right, to still pull down the seat or push the seat back. Okay, I have 2, 1 for each side. Okay, all right, so we're gonna go right here and right here. All right, and actually I gotta print 1 more. Well, this is for the middle. Nobody's going to probably use the middle. But anyway, we also got to take the headrest off. So the headrest is going to be requiring a little tool to push the pin in and pull them out. So I also 3D printed this. So hopefully this will work. Now, the question is this. Bear with me. I am going to give these away with the funnel, okay, and the key to 3 subscribers. What you guys got to do is you got to watch this whole entire video, okay? You got to like it and comment on the video, okay? And what I'll do is next week I will pick out the 3 winners, all right? And I will send it out to you guys, all right? So what you'll get is, this will fit the Model Y, 3 of the Model Y, okay? You will get these 2. You will get the funnel, okay, for windshield wiper fluid, and the key. So we're going to be installing these now, okay, see how it looks and how they are. And I could also make them in different colors. So I got the black interior. I'm going to do it in black. If you have the white interior, I also have white. So you let me know what you guys have, and I'll print them out in those colors. So anyway, let's get these installed, and let's see how they look. All right. All right, the first one we're going to take off is the passenger side. There is a lever right here. Okay, we're going to have to hit. Let's just hope this will go in here. All right, you're going to push. We're going to push, and we're going to take the headrest off. All right. So technically, we got to push this down a little bit. All right. I'm gonna take the headrest off, all right? We're gonna take this. Let's just hope it fits. It does. All right. All right. That's done. All right. You see, I was able to put my hand underneath here and put it on there. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that, and there you go. All right. That keeps it off the seat. All right. Now we're gonna do the other side. All right. So this does work. There's a little latch, okay? Now you can put this headrest all the way down, all right? But you don't have to. There's a little latch on the side. You push this in the groove, okay? And you just push in and it leaves the lock and it picks it up. Now we're gonna install the other side. All right, same thing. Find the groove. All right, right here. Find the groove. There's the groove. You're gonna push this little key in, push this. Comes right off. Now you might have to put the seat down a little bit. All right, pull these off. Let's insert this in here. All right, perfect fit. We're gonna go down. There you go. Now we're gonna go down, pick this up, and we have it right here. And it's fitting perfect. All right. So there you go, guys. All right, this is nice. It fits perfect, okay? It is for, it keeps the seat belt off your leather here, all right? The tool does work. It works perfectly. There's a little latch right on the middle there. If you see it, it's right in the middle. You see it right there? Right over there. You push this tool inside, pushes with this, and it comes right out. So, everything is good, all right? The next giveaway I'm going to do is I'm going to make custom, all right, vent covers for the bottom of your seat. This will be on another video, so stay tuned for that, okay? Stay tuned for that. All right, so the next, like I said, the next video is going to be for any custom covers for the bottom vents of your seats. All right, so stay tuned for that video. Anyway, guys, if you are looking to purchase a Tesla, I have a referral code. It'll save you up to $2,000, okay? It's in the link in the description below. Also, if you have any comments, leave them down below. And like I said, in order for you to enter to this contest, you must be subscribed. You must subscribe to the channel or be subscribed, okay? Comment and like the video, okay? And within the next, right after the holidays, I am going to pick three subscribers. And I'll announce it on the following video, okay? And you'll DM me or I'll DM you, and then you'll give me your address and I'll ship them all out to you. So, like I said, one more time, like the video, comment, okay? Subscribe and share the video, and I will pick the 3 subscribers. And on the next video, I will announce the 3 subscribers, and I will ship it out to you. All right. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. All right. And hit that notification bell. Okay. And you'll be notified every time I make a video. And the other thing is, I finally got my update. Finally, after 3 weeks of watching everybody on YouTube, I finally got mine so I could be doing some testing. So stay tuned. On one of those videos, I am going to announce the winners. So I'm going to post this out, okay, as soon as possible. Comment, subscribe, share, and like, okay? And you must be a subscriber. And I will pick the 3 winners, all right? Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.